Hi friends! So today I am doing 3 card projects in 3 separate videos, and these are my Stamp Club projects for my online Stamp Club members, and they receive packets in the mail with all the supplies pre-cut and ready to be stamped and put together. And so this month's technique is using our clear blocks to stamp a background. So this is card number 1. Let's just jump in and get started. So the card base is basic black and folded in half. It measures 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. Now on the card sample, and what all the club members will get, is this piece of Designer Series paper from the Bundle of Love Specialty Designer Series paper. But for this card, because I actually ran out of that other DSP, I'm using this right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my fast views and put this right onto my card base. There we go. And then also in your envelope you'll have a 3 by 3 piece of Whisper White, a 3 1/4 by 3 1/4 piece of basic black, and a large pearl, and also some of our beautiful shimmery black ribbon. So the block that we're using for this card is the D size block, and I'm taking my powder pink and I'm going to just cover the entire block with the ink. Now when you do the clear block stamping, you have so many choices, and it's great because you can really get creative and have fun with this. So one of the things that you can do is, oops, I got cat fur on my block, which will create a texture look that I'm not going for. So you can stamp your blocks after you ink them directly onto your paper, or you can lightly mist with water. So we're going to do the water on the other 2 cards, but for this one we're just going to stamp directly onto the cardstock. Oh, and it's also better to stamp it on the foam mat, which I forgot to do. Anyhow, I'll do that for the next cards. So I'm just holding it down for a couple of seconds. Do you see how it kind of missed a little bit there? Okay, I'm going to do it again with the foam mat. Okay, so I've got my piercing mat here, so I'm going to do this again. Okay, make sure it's straight. There. Look at the difference without using the foam mat and then just having that foam underneath. It makes a big difference. Okay, so we have now created a really pretty background. How easy was that? So the image I'm stamping is this beautiful flower from the Amazing You Sale-a-bration stamp set. This is free until March 31st, 2018 with a qualifying order. I'm just going to clean this block. I'm going to put a little bit of lip balm on top because this is a clear stamp, and this is my trick so that it doesn't fall off. Taking my basic black archival ink. Oh, look how pretty that is. How simple. Now I'm taking my Charming Cafe stamp set. This is a new stamp set, part of a wonderful bundle in the 2018 occasions. I love this font for the thanks. So that is what we are using. Nice. Okay, so we'll put some adhesive on the back. Put that, we'll move this mat. And put that onto our card layer. That'll go right on the card front. Okay, so now I'm going to make my bow. So I'm making 2 little bunny ears, and then I'm just going to, this is a bit of a short piece too. So then this is going to go right inside there. I love making these bows, they're so simple. pretty little bow. And that's going to go right on there with a glue dot. I'm just going to take a glue dot, put it right there. Put another glue dot underneath. And I'm going to put a third glue dot right underneath this little bit, just to make sure everything stays put and where I want it. And then I'm just going to take my large pearl, stick that in the center. And then this is just computer paper I've cut down to measure 4 by 5 1/4. I'm going to put that in the center. And look at that. Beautiful, beautiful card. Here's the other one. And again, this is using the Designer Series paper from the Bundle of Love package. So imagine trying this with all different colors and stamps. Truly a fun card. So that's card number 1. I'm going to move on to card number 2. I hope you enjoyed this project. Thanks for watching. Happy stamping!